Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the new AI benchmarks and what they actually tell us about the modern AI systems. Now, benchmarks are important because they help researchers measure how well the AI models perform on the different tasks like reasoning, coding, and language understanding. So let's break this down in simple terms. So before hopping on to the main topic, let's understand what an AI benchmark actually is. So an AI benchmark is basically a standardized test used to measure the performance of an AI model. Just like exams for the students, benchmarks evaluate how well a model performs on the specific tasks. Many modern benchmarks test the language understanding. So these tests check whether AI can read the text, answer the questions, summarize the information, and understand the context correctly. Strong performance in these tasks usually means the model is better at the conversations and writing the tasks. Another major category is reasoning benchmarks. So these evaluate whether AI can solve the logical problems, mathematical questions, and multi step reasoning challenges. Strong reasoning benchmarks are becoming increasingly important as AI is used for research, analysis, and decision support. Another important area is multimodal benchmarks. This benchmark evaluates whether AI systems can understand and combine different types of input, such as images, text, and sometimes audio or video. However, benchmarks also have the limitations. A model might perform very well on a test, but it can struggle with the real world tasks. That's why researchers now combine the benchmarks with the real world evaluations to get a more accurate picture of the AI performance. So in simple terms, benchmark help measure the progress in the AI development, but they don't always tell the whole story about how useful an AI system would be in practice. So if you have found this explanation of the AI benchmarks helpful, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.